Hey guys, what's up? All right, so if you want to clip something from a video, whether you're watching a live stream or it's one of the old live streams where something great happened, or maybe you clutched it up and you were because you were playing, all you got to do is uh, go to YouTube and select the video. Or if you're watching the live stream, here I'll show you. For example, here I'll go to YouTube. This is YouTube here. There's a clip that I want to make out of this, so I'll remember. So if I go back, so for example, the clip that I want to make is in this video, right? I click on it. Let me move myself here. Dead. Oh my gosh, just wiped the whole squad. And I search for the part that I want to clip. And let's say the part is right here. Well, first of all, I'm going to make it so that it's 720p. There we go. So, and then all you got to do is click on these little three dots here. I'll make this full screen. Click on the three dots, or sometimes it'll already say clip. If you don't see this clip button right here, under the video, then you click on the three dots and it should show up there. But let's say the section that I want to clip out is right here. I clip on the click, and then see here on the right side, at least on the desktop, this is the way it looks like. It might look a little different on your mobile device, but it's very similar. And you could clip up, by default, it starts at 15 seconds here, as you can see right up here. It says 15 seconds, but you can go up to a minute, 60 seconds. So let's say like I wanted to clip like this section, this 1 minute. Just wipe the whole squad. This 1 minute right there, where I wiped the whole squad, or whatever. Or let's say you clutched it up. You could even move it, like say from there to there. Say okay, that's where it ends. Then I'll just click pause here so it doesn't go, and then you label it squad wipe or whatever you want to label it. You share the clip, click share, and then there will be a link. And then here, all you got to do is copy the link. You can go to the Discord, our Discord server. If you're not part of it, the link is in the description. But you go to the Discord server here, and you go where it says videos, and you share the link. And you say, hey, Andrew, here's a clip. And you press enter, and you share it on Discord. And it's that easy. And then once I get that clip, what I'll do is I'll make it a clip, and I'll create a short out of it. And I'll give you a shout out in the title or in the description of that short. All right. So that's as easy as it gets. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.